In today's video, I'm going to teach you 8D Audio Maker online. We're going to take a regular audio file and turn it into an immersive 8D experience using a simple online tool. No complicated software, no steep learning curve, just a few clear actions you can follow right away. By the end, you'll have a dynamic, headphone-friendly version of your track ready to share or enjoy. First, upload your audio. Most online makers support MP3 and WAV, and either one works fine here. If you have a choice, a high-quality MP3 or a WAV will give you a cleaner result. Look for an upload or drag-and-drop area, then add your file. If your track is mono, consider switching to a stereo version before uploading, because the 8D effect relies on left-right movement. Larger files may take a moment to process, so be patient while the site prepares your audio. Next, turn on the 8D or 3D audio effect. This is usually a simple toggle or preset. The moment you enable it, you're telling the tool to simulate motion around your head by subtly panning the sound between your left and right ears, sometimes adding space and echo to create depth. Put on headphones for the most accurate preview. 8D is designed for that intimate, in-your-head experience and won't feel the same on speakers. If the site offers different 8D styles, start with a standard setting so you can hear the baseline movement. Now, adjust the intensity if you want. This part is optional, but helps you dial in the vibe. Intensity generally controls how wide and how fast the sound moves. A gentle setting is great for vocals and acoustic tracks because it keeps the performance centered and natural. A stronger setting can be exciting for electronic or instrumental sections that benefit from motion. If there's a speed or depth slider, start in the middle and nudge it up or down while listening. Too much movement can be distracting or tiring, so aim for a balance that enhances the music without overwhelming it. If there's a wet, dry, or reverb control, keep the original clarity by blending in just enough space to feel immersive. Finally, download your result. Choose your preferred format. MP3 is convenient for sharing, while WAV preserves maximum quality. Give the file a clear name so you can tell it's the 8D version and save it to a folder you'll remember. That's it. Upload, enable the effect, fine-tune if you like, and download. Enjoy the new dimension your track just gained.